paint his nails and shit. You know what this motherfucker did to me one night? I was passed out drunk. No, this is right here. I passed out drunk one night on the couch and she was fighting. She fucking put some lipstick on me that matched my lips. It was like glitter and shit. And
but you were pouring that shit,
next day at work.
Oh, you didn't know?
No shit, dude.
Dude.
It was like 2 o'clock the next day.
His fucking shoes are on.
I noticed that shit.
His fucking shoes are on. We need to fuck his ass up. No, for real. You can't pass all
You know how many times he's done this today?
Yes.
He done did
Quite a few.
Yeah, I know. No, excuse
How many
me.
times he did?
My shit's falling down.
How many times he doing the golf course today?
Dude, he fucks up. But, shit. Hey, I'm not fucking afraid to fucking do some shit to him. That's all I'm saying.
If anybody can.
And son, I'm fucking rematching your ass too, by the way.
Anybody can.
Huh?
Yeah. I said,
Wake up, you hoe!
Dog. You know you don't need
Wake
to
your
take
motherfucking
ass
ass up!
You gotta go to fucking school and shit.
tomorrow?
Take care of your kids.
You got class tomorrow?
Yeah.
Angelo, wake up!
Well, no, tomorrow's Sunday. Yeah, work. You gotta work.
I guess
I got you though. If you need me.